in the pool. I just kind of float around. This was fun and all, but I think we should check out.
Thanks for the groceries. Enjoy your pool.
All right, I'm just gonna grab everything from the back and just put it up here, organize it, and who knows, maybe there's something fun in there.
It's no secret at this point, Alex was pretty tired. And while he was making his rounds in the forklift, something unexpected happened.
Oh,